One day, Gogo and Bebe were walking in the park when a swarm of bacteria appeared. They looked back, their faces filled with terror.
Don't worry, I am here.
Suddenly, Alfie appeared with a super health boost and chased the danger away. Alfie brought Gogo and Bebe to a very special place, Sunway Medical Centre, the place they were born.
Here's where you can get the super health booster. Oh, who could that be? The doctor with the booster is here. Now you're fully boosted. Vaccinate your kids in their first 2 years during their most critical defense time. Book a power-up today at Sunway Medical Centre.